Welcome to the San Diego Release Delta updates for Strategic Portfolio Management, formerly known as IT Business Management, ITBM. In this video, you will learn about the feature updates made to the Financial Management module, as well as the Resource Management module within SPM. We'll start with the Financial Management module changes. With the new changes made to Financial Management, we can now improve our customers' confidence and cost plan metrics. There are three main enhancements we'll cover. First, actual costs that are not associated to a cost plan are automatically added to a system-generated cost plan. Second, actual cost field in the cost breakdown column are now made to read only. Lastly, new project diagnostics are added to identify duplicate task type breakdowns. With the enhancements called out in the previous slide, we now can ensure actual cost calculations are reconciled in a manner that is easy for the end users to understand. System-generated cost plans can be either CapEx or OpEx buckets with the project number prepended. Actual costs are not editable. Entered costs still can be added or updated manually. As system-generated cost plans to account for unexpected actual costs, we eliminate orphaned expenses, which enables the actual cost and the breakdowns to reconcile in a way that users can easily understand and see. So right here is an example of a system-generated CapEx cost plan. We added a labor cost of $750. So when the time card was approved and expense line was processed, the system automatically added this cost plan and tied to $750 actual cost. If I double click, you can see that entered cost is editable, actual cost is grayed out. Also, making it very easy to reconcile between the rolled up actual cost at the project level and at the CapEx and OpEx level. All right, let's go back and now take a look at the changes related to the Resource Management module in the San Diego release. There are three main areas of enhancement. Advanced date filtering. It now allows enhanced user experience. Now you can add or edit new date range to resource duration in advanced resource pagination. Enhanced resource finder allows you to filter your search by group and role and more. And now you can quickly update the resource capacity without having to leave allocation workbench. These changes enable a more iterative and agile approach to resource management. The calendar of the requested cost plan in the upper panel and resource availability in the lower panel, viewpoints are synchronized, now allowing you to take full control of assessing and allocating resources. The go to start date option makes jumping to the beginning of the resource plan really easy. Now, no need to go scroll endlessly to find the start date of a specific resource plan. Ability to bulk fill by using the fill right feature. You can automatically enter number of hours allocating from the start date and the number of fields defined. Advanced filtering allows you to further define your search when looking for resources to allocate. New column requested is added to visualize the requested demands to get the full picture while assessing and allocating resources. New enhancement allows you to update resource capacity without having to leave allocation workbench. Lastly, new label on the UI. There was always a setting to set how many records you can load, but now you get the label to show how many has been already loaded and how many more you can load. So starting with date range control, let's click on a resource plan requested. You can see that the resource plan was requested from January 2022 to May 2022. And in the lower pane for the analyst group that was requested, you can see the date range selected corresponds to the resource plan requested. So January to May 2022. Now going to point out the start date. Go to start date option. So in this case, the January 22 is the start date of the resource plan. If I click on that, you can see that my the start month is selected and highlighted. Let's take a look at the fill right option. Take a fill right. You can define the number of cells that you need the system to auto-populate and the number of hours. Advanced filtering. So besides department, location, and skill, you can always add more filter and further define what resource you're looking for the resource plans that you're trying to fill. Here is the requested column that's added in the new release. Update capacity. We know that there have been more hours added for Chase, or maybe a schedule for Chase has been updated. Instead of having to go back to the user's page, we can just right click and update capacity for the time frame we define from allocation bench. And then lastly, let's take a look at the new UI label here. So we see that there are 79 records total. Right now, we're only displaying the first 50, and we can click on Get More to load the rest of the records. Thank you.